What are we doing?
We're looking at the ruins of some kind of wall.
The Theodosian Wall. It protected Constantinople all the way until it didn't. The walls ended up not being the weak point. It was their harbor. Come on, honey. We want to see it on the other side. Honey, you're looking at the back of the wall. Oh God, folks. I don't even know what this fucking place is. This looks like a parking lot. Well, maybe it's the right spot. Oh shit. Can we walk on it? Now let's walk around. I want to see the other side. God damn, those are some fucking walls though. Boom. Cool. All right. I did what I wanted. I saw what I wanted to see.
That looks cool.
Yeah. They used to be much, much bigger. See, like you can see where the wall in between is knocked out. And also I would suspect that this area was probably a lot lower back then.
Hey, do you want to walk up? Or walk up?
Nah. That was a fortification. Technically, it would be more similar to a citadel than a castle.
Oh, yeah. Inside of the city.
Yeah. And also, a castle wasn't necessarily a defensive fortification. Not necessarily. That's cool as hell. Ottoman statue.